Yes, I know Muffin Man. Muffin Man.
Where does he live?
Downtown.
He lives downtown?
Yep.
Do you know the Eric Man, the Eric Man, the Eric Man?
Yes, I know Muffin Man. I'm trying to you eat.
I don't know where that is.
Doing I'm weak.
On week?
Yep.
Interesting. Bye-bye. Oh, you gonna say more?
Yeah. Yes, I know Muffin Man.
Where does he live?
Downtown. And Muffin Man lives on downtown.
He lives downtown?
Yep.
Okay. Does he live in a high-rise? A loft?
No.
Did you hear a man singing on the radio today?
Yeah.
What did he sound like?
Yep.
What did he say?
Yep. Yeah.
Did he go, la 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 la?
Funny.
Yes. And then he laughed.
And then he laughed.
Yes. Here, you sing in the microphone.
In my open microphone.
Okay. What do you want to sing?
E.
E?
Yeah.
A, B.
C, D, E, F, C, K, F, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now I know my ABCs.
Nothing will stay with me. Uh-oh, microphone bowed down.
Uh-oh.